How to add picture to a post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you the ways to add a picture to a post on Instagram. So to add a picture as a post, first thing first, open up or log into your account. Also make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now in order to post a picture, tap the plus icon from the bottom. After that, all of the images that's stored on the gallery, you'll be able to access it. So in order to post it, just select the particular picture. Let's see that this is the one, and you can just go ahead and tap the next button. After you've done that, you can also make changes with the color, size and all that, and tap the next button. Once you've done that, now it's the last interface where you can go ahead and add location, tag people, audience and whatsoever. So tap the share button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully added a picture to a post on Instagram. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.